Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies for beginners. And man, today we're going to talk about VVS Finance and some updates on it, if I'm bullish or bearish on it, and then just some statistics that I found that were interesting, that caught my attention. So we're going to give this update today, and I'm going to just go over the platform too. But before we get into that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I got a whole playlist on VVS Finance just showing you different ways how you can create liquidity pools, how you can make your money work for you on VVS Finance. So tap into that playlist and tap into all the other videos that I got too, just on different NFTs and all of the things you can think of in crypto. So let's get straight into it. I got to let you know this too. I am not a financial advisor. So whatever I'm saying, this is for purely entertainment and just for my personal investing experience. So if you want to invest in crypto, make sure you consult with the financial advisor before you invest in anything and know why you're investing in whatever you're investing in. So let's get in straight into it, man. VVS Finance, let's go. So right now we're currently on Dex Screener, and I'm just looking at the price of VVS Finance, and we can see how far it dropped since the all-time highs. We are still in the bear market right now, but you see how far it didn't drop, man. It's going crazy. I'm not going to lie. It's a big sellout, but even though with that sellout, we see market cap is still at $115 million. So market cap is still big. It's still the biggest market cap in the Cronos blockchain. So I still think it's still something there, but you got to understand too, this project is supported by crypto.com and or the Cronos token. So they're not going to let it fail. And that's why one reason that I'm kind of still bullish on it, because they're not going to just let VVS fail like that. That's the product or the project they've been promoting. And it's pretty much like the flagship project or product on the DeFi wallet. So that's where you pretty much make, or that's where they send you to make trades on in a decentralized way. So I don't think they're gonna let it fail just right now, but only time will tell, man. But the price has been dropping, and I gotta say we are in a bear market. So I do think right now would be a decent time just to start dollar cost averaging. I wouldn't say just put all your money in at one time, but dollar cost average on the downturn, because I do think more money is going to come into VVS Finance. I'm going to let you know why in just a second, but that's the price. Like I said, I do think this is a good time to dollar cost average right there, and I'm going to tell you why. But let's get into it, man. VVS Finance, we are on the exchange right now, and it's so many different things since the last video I made. We got different cryptos on there to exchange. They got a variety of cryptos. Let's just check it. So we got VVS, Beefy, 1inch, Ave, I'm not sure, ACA, Alchemy. We got Cardano, Algorand, a lot of top coins. We got ApeCoin, Atom, Axie, Avalanche. So it's a lot of coins on there right now that's been updated. Then we got a lot of ETH coins on there too. So you can check that out and see just the different types of coins they got on there. I do like that they have Avalanche, Axie, some of those top coins. They got Link on there, Litecoin. So me personally, I don't have any of those coins except for Avalanche, but I would buy Avalanche from probably exchange and send it to the actual Avalanche blockchain. But you can access Avalanche from here and actually buy it and send it to, or bridge it to the Avalanche chain. So we can see now, if you want to make liquidity pools, this is the way you can make liquidity pools. But an easier way VVS just gave us was the Flash LP. So with Flash LPs, you can choose a token to make a liquidity pool with. So if I want to do Wrap Crow with ETH or Wrap Crow with BTC, Wrap Crow USDC, either way it goes, you can do it. And you can, if you want to do max, you can do the max, and it actually gives you how much LP tokens you could have from, Crow. So if I was to do the max LP for my 187 Crow, I get about 12.2K VVS and Wrap Crow LP tokens. So that's how you can easily make, a liquidity pool on VVS Finance without having to, try to exchange. You can just make the Flash LP. And then something else that's cool is the limit orders, man. So if you wanted to set a limit, if you wanted to buy at a certain price or sell at a certain price, VVS allows you to do so if you want to set, their price. So if you want to buy, let's say, USDC, and we do 187 Crow, it gives you a certain price, that you can estimate it to receive. And, this will be the limit price. So if you want to set that up, you can do that as well. But that's just another add-on that VVS, or another product thing that they added to VVS that caught my attention. So we go into the forums now. And I remember when I first made a video about VVS Finance, the APRs was going crazy. But now we see right now the APRs are 2-digit APRs, man. So the APRs, they more stable now. But I mean, I guess you could get into it at those stable APRs. Like I said, they are lower, but the lower they are, like I said, the more stable they are. But you do got some that's like 96, like Crow and VVS, that's 96. So that's kind of high. Then we got VVS and USDC, that's 62. USDT and VVS, that's 40%. So we still got some high APRs on there. Then we scroll down, they even got multi-yield pool rewards. So with that VVS and FIR, you see the APR is 525%. And then we see you can earn VVS and the FIR token. So it's a lot of ways you can make money, make your money work for you on VVS right now. The APRs are more stable, and it's getting less risky just because the APRs are down. But I'm not saying that VVS can't continue to go down, because one thing that it caught my attention that VVS is failing to do is just be more innovative. Like, they adding some good add-ons and some good products to the platform. But I think just being a farm and being just a DEX is going to kind of die out in the crypto space. I'm not saying there's not going to be we're not going to need DEXs, or DEXs aren't going to be around, but you got to have some type of, innovation behind it too. So make it what makes you stand out from other products, where I can't go to another DEX and trade the same token. So that's my personal take on it. That's just one thing that I believe VVS should work on, but it's still super early to call it, man. It's still super, super early. So we go to the glitter mines now. Then the glitter mines, this was working. I also put your VVS to work. In the auto VVS, we see the APR is 10%. Then in the manual VVS, it's currently 10.3%. So, and I'm not sure what the VVS upgrade is here. So you can upgrade it right there. Then you can earn X Argo just by staking your xVVS. So that's at 326%. So a good APR on it if you wanted to earn X Argo. And I'm not sure what X Argo is. You would have to do your own research on it, but there will be, something you can earn. And then right now we see single, you can stake the xVVS and earn some single too. And you can stake your xVVS and earn FIR. So I'm currently in it. Like right now, like I think my original investment was about like $200. I'm not completely sure. I really got to go back and see, but I know I'm down. Like, this is one of the positions I'm actually down in the crypto space, but I didn't sell any VVS because it tanked so fast. I was like, let me just let my tokens work for me. So right now I'm just holding it and just trying to see if I can recoup some of my money just by, participating in the ecosystem. So right now I'm staking xVVS to earn FIR, and that's at 413%. If we was to do the calculator just by my balance. Now this is, of course, still at 413%. So these are at the current rates. And we know as more people put money into it, the rates go down. So it's really better. And it's more as time goes on, the rates go down. And then sometimes they just cancel out pools altogether. But I don't think they're going to cancel this out, because FIR is they're trying to make that like the stable coin platform on the decentralized Cronos blockchain. So I believe it's going to still be supported heavily just because it's connected with VVS Finance. So that's why I'm currently staking my xVVS to earn FIR. So that's the X, or that's the mines right there. But when you go to the xVVS, you can get xVVS or stake your VVS to receive xVVS. So if you got VVS, you can pretty much put in there, earn 22%, and then boom, you get your xVVS. Now we got the vaults too. Now the vaults, that's if you wanted to pretty much lock your money up. I believe I did the 7-day vault one time for like 23%. Then we got the 6 month, 28, 1 year, 39, then 4 years is 123%. But not gonna lie to you, I would not lock VVS up for 4 years at 123%. That's just not enough to me. But hey, to each his own. That's what you want to do. Hey, do what you want to do. But me personally, that is not a good investment in my eyes. But that's what you can do with the xVVS if you want to lock it up and earn that, that APR. So the dashboard is pretty much where you can see like what you are earning. We got the crystal forms. I took out my money out of the crystal forms. I had the Crow and VVS form at first, but once it went down so fast and so hard, I just got in glitter mines pretty much. Then we got the xVVS vaults, and that's it. So that's if you want to go and check out, you know what I'm saying, what you are investing on VVS. And then we got the initial gem offering. That was the last one was for and that's when they just have, pretty much launches for Cronos project. So I just wanted to get it pretty much an update on VVS, but let's get into some of the things that's been going on in the ecosystem. So we see the top dexes on Cronos by 24-hour trading volume. We see first is MMF. And I ain't gonna lie, I believe MMF is first just because they have more interactive coins on the Cronos blockchain. And I feel like once you build around the Cronos blockchain, people are going to be loyal to the chain. And if you got all the cryptos on that chain on your DEX, or a lot of cryptos on their DEX, then people are going to use your DEX to trade. So right now we see MMF coming in at 14 million, then VVS right behind it at 6.6 million. Then we see the top native dApps on Cronos bi-weekly, and we see MMF is at 84 million, then VVS is at 75 million. So it's still coming in second place, but not too bad on the week with $75 million traded on the DEX. Then we see the volatility of most held coins in the last 7 days. And we see right now, they grew about 1%. And we can see the current, as of 5 days ago, it was 93,000 holders of the VVS token. So VVS is still leading out of all the cryptos as far as most held tokens on the Cronos blockchain. So we see the growth in there, and even in a bear market, we see more people are holding the token. So that's something that's bullish in my eyes. Overall, I think VVS will be around, but I'm not sure what the price will be because, I want to see it continue to build out more things and be more innovative in the crypto space. But like I said, only time will tell. They do have the most held tokens, so that's something we count as a positive, and I'm pretty sure they have the most liquidity. So any project that has a lot of liquidity on it, I still believe in, because I think they got like $658 million in liquidity on the platform right now. So a lot of money still left on the platform, and I don't believe the crypto.com team will let VVS fail because they promoted it so hard. So that's my video for today. VVS Finance, want to give you that update and why I'm still semi-bullish on VVS. I'm not going to sell it, but right now I got other projects that I'm going to dollar cost average into. But I'm still looking at the price, still using my VVS to work for me, and then we're going to see where it takes us from there. So, Crypto Tro, if I added value to you today, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you click on that VVS Finance playlist and get in tune to everything I think about VVS Finance. So, let's get it. That's my video. I'm out of here.